Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 running shoes in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading running shoe that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Brooks Women's Adrenaline GTS 22 Supportive Running Shoe. Designed for smooth rides and great support, let's dive into its fantastic features. This shoe is perfect for runners seeking a smooth ride with excellent cushion and guide rail support, ensuring a distraction-free, enjoyable run. Support and cushion with just the right amount of stability and support, it's ideal for overpronation. High energizing cushioning is perfect for road running, cross-training, and more. Balanced cushioning. The updated midsole with 100% DNA loft cushioning, combined with the segmented crash pad, offers a softer, smoother ride from landing to toe-off. Modernized fit. The 3D Fit Print Upper technology provides a structured, proven fit without excess bulk. It's all about comfort and efficiency. In conclusion, Brooks Women's Adrenaline GTS 22 offers unbeatable support, cushioning, and stability. Try a pair and experience the difference in every run. Number 4. The Brooks Women's Glycerin 20 Neutral Running Shoe. Perfect for those seeking a comfy, smooth ride. Let's explore why these shoes are a must-have. Comfy sneaks. Meet the Glycerin 20, with a redesigned midsole and outsole for easier transitions. These shoes ensure a smooth and enjoyable run every time you hit the pavement. Quality build. Crafted with a plush, breathable engineered air mesh upper, these shoes provide a secure fit. The soft textile lining and insole add an extra layer of comfort. Lace-up closure. The lace-up closure offers a precise fit, and the cushion tongue and collar add extra comfort. Easy to pull on and off, making them super convenient. Optimal support. Thanks to the nitrogen infusion process, these shoes offer finely tuned softness. Enjoy optimal support without sacrificing weight, durability, or responsiveness. In conclusion, Brooks Women's Glycerin 20 sneakers combine comfort, support, and style. With multiple sizes and color options, these shoes boost your confidence and performance. Grab a pair today. Number 3. The ASICS Men's Gel-Contend 8 Running Shoes. Known for comfort and support, let's see what makes these shoes a top choice for runners. Rear Foot GL Technology. The Rear Foot GL technology cushions your every step. It absorbs impact and gives a softer feel at foot strike, making each run smoother and more comfortable. Jacquard Mesh Upper. The Jacquard Mesh Upper ensures excellent airflow, keeping your feet cool. Breathability is key for long runs, and this shoe delivers just that. Ortholite Sockliner. With the Ortholite Sockliner, you get exceptional step-in comfort. It enhances your running experience by providing a soft and supportive feel right from the first step. Flex Grooves in outsole. Flex grooves in the outsole improve flexibility. These grooves make the shoe adapt to your movements, ensuring a natural and efficient stride. In conclusion, the ASICS Gel-Contend 8 combines cushioning, airflow, comfort, flexibility, and support. Perfect for runners of all levels. Grab a pair and feel the difference in every run. Number 2. The New Balance Men's Fresh Foam X 1080 V13 Running Shoe. This shoe is all about comfort and durability. Let's break down its features. Fresh Foam X Midsole. The Fresh Foam X midsole is packed with comfort, made from 3% bio-based content. It offers incredible cushioning and helps reduce our carbon footprint. Endurance Rubber Outsole. The Endurance Rubber Outsole provides superior durability in high wear areas. Perfect for those who want their shoes to last longer. Engineered Air Mesh Upper. The Engineered Air Mesh Upper ensures breathability and comfort. It's designed to keep your feet cool during intense runs. Reflective accents. Reflective accents are crafted to catch the light, ensuring visibility and safety during night runs. In conclusion, the New Balance Fresh Foam X1080 V13 combines comfort, durability, and eco-friendliness. Don't miss out, grab a pair and feel the difference on your next run. Number 1. The Brooks Women's Ghost 15 Neutral Running Shoe. Perfect for runners seeking a smooth ride without distractions. Let's explore its features. Fit. The Ghost 15 offers a refined 3D fit print, ensuring a seamless, secure fit for all runners. Your feet will feel perfectly cradled. Cushioning. With high-energy DNA Loft V2 cushioning, every stride feels like a breeze. It's soft, lightweight, and perfect for long runs. Stability. Our segmented crash pad teams up with the midsole for a smooth ride. Regardless of foot placement, enjoy an easy flow from landing to toe-off. Upper material. Engineered Air Mesh Upper guarantees comfort and breathability. The 3D fit print adds structure where you need it most. In conclusion, the Brooks Ghost 15 combines support, cushioning, and stability in one stylish package. Grab yours and experience a run like never before. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.